In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a make.com blueprint. By the end, you'll be able to take a blueprint file you've downloaded and turn it into a ready-to-use scenario in your Make account. First, open your browser and go to your make.com dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and workspace where you actually want this blueprint to live. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see your usual overview, like recent activity and any existing scenarios or automations you've set up before. On the left-hand side of the screen, there's a vertical menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Scenarios. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the main scenarios page, where you can see all the automations you've already created, along with options to organize and manage them. On the scenarios page, look for the button that says Create a new scenario, or simply Create Scenario. It's usually towards the top of the interface. Click that button. Instead of building something from scratch, we're going to use this as the starting point to bring in your existing blueprint. You'll now be taken into the scenario editor view. This is the canvas where you normally drag and drop modules. Before doing anything else, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu with additional actions. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Import Blueprint. This is the key step that tells Make you want to load in a saved blueprint, rather than designing a brand new scenario manually. When you click it, a pop-up window will appear that lets you upload your file. In the pop-up, click on the button that says Choose File or Select File. This will open a file picker from your computer. Navigate to the location where your make.com blueprint file is saved. The file is usually in JSON format and is something you've either exported from another scenario or downloaded from a shared source. Select that file, then confirm so it appears in the upload window. Once your blueprint file is selected, click the Save or Import button in the pop-up. Make will process the file and load the full scenario structure onto your canvas. From there, you can review the modules, connect your apps, update any credentials,